Hey, welcome. This is just a really quick video on replacing 8-foot fluorescent bulbs with LED bulbs. These are 6,000 lumens, 6,000 K, and these will actually bypass the ballasts and or starters if you have those in your fixtures. But they're actually very easy to install. I didn't see any videos on this, so I thought I'd share this. Let's get to it. Okay, tools: wire strippers, flat pliers, wire cutters, 3 wire nuts. Okay, I'm going to remove the old bulbs now. In my particular fixtures, you push it one way and it will fall right out. Second bulb. Okay, 2 bulbs are out. I'm going to grab some pliers, twist these. They're like spring clips that hold these metal panels in. So these bulbs are pass-through 120 volt. Let me remove this middle panel. So you can see right here, out of the ceiling, we have a white coming out, a black, and a green is screwed into the ceiling. The green is the ground, the black is the live, and the white is the neutral. Both of the white and the black go into the ballast. The ballast has 2 yellows coming out and going to that end, and then it has a pair of reds and a pair of blues coming out on this side. The pair of blues both go to one side of the fixture, lighting one bulb. The pair of reds go to the other side. So because this is a really simple pass-through, I'm just going to cut the wires going in and out of the ballast, bypass the ballast, take the whites, connect them here, take the blacks, connect them to the yellow, boom, done. Okay, let's go ahead and hook it up. I'm going to pull my wire cutters out. I'm going to cut, power is off to this rig now. I'm going to cut all these wires close to the ballast since we're just bypassing the ballast completely. I'm going to hold on to them so they don't fall away from me, causing me to overstretch on my ladder. These 2 yellows I'm going to stick through a little hole in this fixture just so they don't go anywhere. I'm going to get the slack out of these. First I'll cut the 2 reds and the 2 blues. So both the reds and the blues will connect to one of these wires. Doesn't matter which one, it's AC. Okay, I'm just going to ignore one of the reds and one of the blues. So it's not necessary. I will cap those off. I'll get my wire strippers. Strip about 3/4 of an inch off. Strip 3/4 of an inch off the black or white, doesn't matter, it's AC. Okay, I'm going to line these up, grab them in the jaws of my wire stripper, grab my pliers, and while I'm holding these wires in the stripper, I will twist them with the pliers. A nice, tight, even twist, and then cut off the excess. And while still holding it, I'll grab a wire nut out of the other pocket, screw that on there good. That's it, that side is hooked up. I'm also going to tape off the ends of both the blue and the red here, since those are technically live now. Or once we power this up, they will be. Okay, I'm going to do the white wire to the 2 yellows. Go ahead and strip both of the yellows, take about 3/4 of an inch off. Strip the white. And again, I'm going to line them up, stack them in a little triangle, grab them in the wire strippers, grab my pliers. A good twist, cut off the excess, grab my wire nut, get that on there good. Tape it. There you go. I'm going to stick a wire nut here. That's for some extra safety. All right, put everything back together. I'm putting my bulbs in. I'm going to check in your own fixtures exactly how this goes. Sometimes you twist them in. In mine, pushing in one side, which is spring loaded, and letting it pop back out. There we go. Let's see if they work. Well, that's it, man. It is so bright in here. I love these things. You get them on sale on Amazon, 10 to 12 bucks per bulb. I bought this in a pack of 4. So as my bulbs die, I'm just going to replace them with these and not ever worry about fluorescent bulbs or ballasts or starters ever again. Thank you for watching. Hope you found some value in this video. Take it easy.